Hey, 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 do you ever feel like you get stuck with your creativity, or that you feel like you've sometimes hit a brick wall with your creative dreams? We all feel these things. Too often, the music industry makes us feel like we can't talk about it, because if we talk about it, we come across too sensitive, and then that's seen as a weakness. The thing is that we're made to think that we need to have a thick skin, that we need to have so much knowledge, that we need to have all this gear, and we need to be something that is quite inhumane to be. It can often become quite overwhelming, and it can create anxiety, stress, fear, burnout, jealousy, things that consume us and are very, very toxic for our creativity and confidence. We need to start talking about these things more openly to make sure that we can all find a little bit more enjoyment and freedom and balance in our creative work, and especially when we're trying to navigate the whole music industry, all these social medias, marketing, all these things, whilst accepting all these feelings of insecurity are totally normal, and we all feel them. And by opening these conversations and accepting this, we can find this balance and we can find this confidence in our own work and ourselves. So to open up these conversations, I have started a second YouTube channel called I Was Just Thinking. The whole idea is that it's basically very chill videos of me just going for walks or little trips and talk about insecurities, my insecurities, confidence, creativity, all about all of these things from my own experience, but also from a psychological perspective. So the channel has now already 3 videos that I've done, just to kind of show you what to expect from the future. I have also set up a community in Discord, which you can join, and it is for peer support. It's about sharing tips, it's about collaboration, it's about celebrating all things creative confidence. So here are some taster clips of some of my videos, so you can see what's this all about. There's this thing called emotional bypassing, and we are very, very accustomed to experience that since we were kids. So it's the thing that, let's say that you're in a party and you say, I feel really shit. I just don't feel well. And then the person next to you is like, oh, you're in a party. Why do you feel bad? Don't feel bad. We're in a party. You should smile. You should have fun. Forget about all the shit things. Enjoy your life. That makes you feel very unheard, because what validation is, the need to be heard, the need to feel seen. So exactly, it's not about the type of art you make. It's about the fact that you wish that the people around you will see the effort that you put towards something. They will see you. So we don't really need to deal with every single fear, but I do find that for me, at least, it's really helped to recognize when I feel fear, and especially when I feel fear about things that I really dream and with things that I really want to do. So example, I'm a musician and I really want to release more music and play more gigs and do festivals and all this. So if there are fears in that area that I recognize that I'm holding myself back on certain things, so yeah, I want to make sure that those fears are not limiting my dreams or goals or things that I want to do. So it does help to firstly give the feeling a name, whether that is fear or whatever feeling it is, and then recognize it and understand also maybe where it comes from. My point with this video is that if this dyslexic, dyscalculia, neurodiverse girl can learn coding and music production and academic writing, then I'm pretty sure you can as well. Or you don't need to do those things, but you can do whatever you want. So shifting the perspective of yourself, and by doing this, you will also find certain level of confidence for your creativity as well. Hopefully it's going to give you some reflection point, but also some perspective to help you cope with some of these insecurities and feelings, and also give you validation that these feelings are normal. They are designed to be very relaxed to watch, or you can listen to them as podcasts if you want to. Very important, I'm not going to quit this channel. Don't worry about it. It will be still the same stuff. So my artistry, tutorials, and so on. This is something that I have been passionate about for a long time, and you can probably see it already from my tutorials in music production on my channel. But I've been writing a book about this for the last 2 years, and it will come out at one point, and we'll let you know when it does. I am currently studying to be a certified coach in creative confidence, which I'm very excited about. I'm just very passionate about finding a healthier ways to talk about productivity and talk about goals and success and all these things, which I don't think there is that much very non-toxic conversation online, especially when it comes to music industry. So please do check out this channel from the link down below. And if it is your vibe, then please subscribe to it. And I really hope to see you there with me. Hey, have a lovely, lovely, lovely creative week. And I will see you here very soon because there will be some really cool tutorials and videos. So see you soon. Bye.